we could check
Pretty
the
much
wind.
same spot since we went by Washburn 45 minutes ago. They
Probably
must
die
be
out by the time.
flooded. That white stuff's probably hail. That's the center.